Today, we'll look at how Zuora Revenue's SSP Analyzer can help companies like Henry Co. automate the determination of SSP as part of their ASC 606 process. When you look at the standard, it says that standalone history is the best indicator of fair value. That is what the SSP Analyzer is designed to do. Look at your history and determine SSP. It does this through the use of templates and batches. Templates are used to organize your rules for analysis. You can create and manage multiple templates with different rules based on how you price and sell your products. For example, you can determine SSP based on an amount or a percentage of your list price. This is the most common methodology that we see. You can create different group buys or stratifications for different pricing strategies, such as by product category, region, or customer type. You can define a compliance range to help determine how uniform your pricing is. And finally, SSP can be calculated based on a median or using Zuora's optimizer best fit approach. Within templates, filters are used to help segregate historical data by date and ensure that it goes to the correct template. Once templates are created, at each compliance period, for example, quarterly or annually, batches are created from these templates to actually collect and analyze a set of historical data for review and approval. All the details from the templates are populated into the batch. Users just define the effective date and update the filters to pull in the right set of data for this particular batch. Once those batches are defined, you collect the data and SSP is calculated. It's at this point that the data can be reviewed. View stratification shows each stratification, its SSP, the number of transactions that fall under each category, and how many are within the compliance range. You can download the stratification here to Excel or through the SSP report. You also can get a visual representation of what a stratification looks like under View Graph. You can see the bell curve. For each stratification, you can see all the underlying transactions under View Transactions. Here, individual items can be manually excluded from the analysis. Just like all manual actions in Zuora Revenue, it requires that a user leave a comment and that action is tracked for audit purposes. Once you've excluded that, you can recalc SSP and see your new value. To understand how SSP is changing over time, you can view the trending. What does my SSP look like over multiple batches? Is it increasing? Is it decreasing? Batches can be created at any time for analysis purposes. And once a batch is reviewed, finalized batches are approved and locked down. No more changes can be made at them. Only approved batches are then used for Zuora Revenue's automatic contract allocation calculation, the other half of SSP. So today, we've walked through how Zuora's SSP Analyzer can save Henry Co. time and money by standardizing and automating their SSP analysis. One of our customers, Riverbed, was actually able to cut their SSP analysis time by 90%. In addition, since the analysis can be done more consistently, efficiently, and more often, Henry Co. can use this output and leverage it in much more strategic ways.